Welcome to this video on Big Data Analytics, covering an overview of techniques and tools. This video will cover the introduction to Big Data Analytics, processing and analytical techniques, tools and frameworks, data visualization, applications, future trends, and implementation strategies. Big data is defined by its volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. It is crucial for modern business decisions and efficiency, coming from diverse sources like social media and sensors. Big data analytics drives decision-making by providing valuable insights and competitive advantages. It transforms sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail with data-driven solutions. Key challenges in big data analytics include ensuring data quality and integration, managing scalability and storage, and maintaining critical privacy and security. Data collection involves batch processing for periodic chunks and real-time processing for continuous streams. Tools like Kafka and Flume ingestion, managing both structured and unstructured data. Data storage solutions include distributed file systems like HDFS for fault tolerance. NoSQL databases and data lakes offer flexible storage, alongside scalable cloud storage platforms. Data cleaning and preparation involve cleansing techniques to remove errors, handling missing data for reliability, and normalization with feature extraction to improve analysis quality. Descriptive analytics summarizes historical data for patterns, while diagnostic analytics identifies cause and correlation. Tools like SQL, Excel, and visualization software are commonly used. Predictive analytics uses machine learning algorithms for predictions and time series forecasting for future data points. Applications include predicting customer churn and detecting fraud. Prescriptive analytics focuses on decision optimization techniques, often using heuristics and linear programming to find optimal solutions. Practical applications include resource allocation and improving operational efficiency. The Hadoop ecosystem includes HDFS for storage, MapReduce for processing, and Yarn for resource management. Hadoop offers scalable, cost-effective processing and integrates with tools like Spark. Apache Spark uses a distributed architecture for fast in-memory data processing. Its modules include SQL, streaming, and MLLIB. Spark's performance advantages surpass traditional MapReduce. Other popular tools include NoSQL databases like Cassandra for scalable storage, cloud analytics platforms like AWS and Azure, and visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. Principles of data visualization emphasize clear visuals for informed decisions. Common chart types include bar, line, and pie charts. It is essential to avoid misleading visuals through distorted scales. Popular visualization software includes Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik. These tools integrate with platforms like Hadoop and Spark, allowing for interactive dashboards and reports to aid decision-making. Communicating insights involves tailoring presentations to the audience's knowledge and using data storytelling with visuals. Ultimately, these insights should guide and justify business decisions. In retail and e-commerce, big data is used for customer segmentation, inventory optimization to reduce costs, and sentiment analysis to understand market trends. Healthcare utilizes big data for predictive diagnostics, improving medical imaging analysis, and managing vast amounts of clinical data for better decisions. Finance and banking applications include rapid fraud detection, algorithmic trading optimization, and efficient compliance reporting for regulatory adherence. Advances include the integration of AI with big data analytics for deeper insights. Emerging deep learning techniques enhance processing, and automation streamlines analytics workflows. Edge analytics processes data near its source to reduce latency, benefiting latency-sensitive IoT applications. Use cases include autonomous vehicles and real-time fraud detection. Ethical and legal considerations revolve around data privacy regulations like GDPR. Ethical data use emphasizes fairness and bias reduction, while future governance addresses complexity and accountability. Building a big data team requires key roles like data engineers and scientists. Strong technical and analytical skills are essential, along with promoting a collaboration culture. Technology selection criteria involve platform compatibility and performance. Organizations must weigh cloud flexibility against on-premises control and ensure solutions can scale cost-efficiently. To measure success, clearly identify key performance indicators for analytics projects and use effective methods to track business results.